Hi friends, welcome to Csdo. In today's video, I'll be talking about home-based business. As the name describes, my dear friends, home-based business means a business that is operational from home. And it is very important and it is very beneficial to have a home-based business. Let me tell you small reasons why. Number one, when you have a home-based business, then you don't have to worry that you have to reach to your office, you have to drive, or you have to take a cab, or you have to travel by metro. So number one, it saves your travel time. Number two, it is very cost effective. For example, if you have your office or a business at a different place, then you would have to invest and you would have to pay the rent for that business. But if it's your home-based business, now you can use your own kitchen, you can use your own room and make it like your office. You can have a study table like we used to have. You can have a work table dedicated. Like I do sometimes when I do content writing, I make sure that in my home I have an almirah, I have an entire library wherein I focus, sit at one place and work. So similarly it happens when you work from home or you are into a home-based business. Fourth, my dear friends, when we females are especially married and our responsibility, home responsibilities like our kids, our family, we are bound to take care of our responsibilities, and we all are not able to really manage that, fixed hours wala job. So then also home-based business is much better because you earn something from your home. So if you are looking for anything related to home-based business, then yes, Csdo is the place for you. The home-based business can be like candle making, chocolate making, soap making, gift packing, cosmetics making, and many such courses. So if you are looking for a business from home or a home-based business, then definitely join Csdo. Thank you.